Assalamualaikum students, hope you all are enjoying good health. As you all know, we are discussing exercise number 10.2 and today we are going to start question number 9. In question number 9, he is saying that find the area of the shaded regions. So, a figure is given to you. For example, in first part, a circle is given to you and half of the circle means the semicircle is shaded. So you have to find out the area of this semicircle. So let's start our solution. We will write the area of the shaded region ASH. This SH stands for this is the area of the shaded region. This is a circle. So the whole is a circle. So the area of circle is pi r square and this is a semicircle. So we divide it by 2. So the area of the shaded region is semicircle. So area of shaded region is equals to pi r square by 2. The value of pi is 3.14. Here the radius is given as 2.2 square divided upon 2. 2.2 square will be 4.84. So 4.84 multiplied by 3.14 and you will divide the answer with 2. So your answer will be 7.61574 centimeter square. This centimeter square is the unit of area. So here the area of this semicircle, this shaded region is 7.61574 centimeter square. In next part students, again a circle is given to you, but in this circle, 3 portion of this circle are shaded and 1 portion is not shaded. It means 3/4 part of this circle is shaded and 1 portion is not shaded. So how we are going to find the area? Firstly, we will find the area of whole of this circle. So we write area of circle is equals to pi r square. Pi is 3.14 and here the radius is 7. 7 square it will be 49 and 49 into 3.14 it will be 153.86 centimeter square. And now we are going to find the area of the shaded region. How much portion is shaded? 3/4 means out of 4 parts, 3 parts are shaded. So 3/4 part of the total area. The total area is 153.86. So 3/4 part of the total area. So this number is first multiplied with 3. So our answer will be 461.58 divided upon 4. So when you divide it with 4, our answer will be 115.395 centimeter square. So this is the area of the shaded region. In third part students, we are having 2 circles. The radius of the inner circle is 1.5 and the radius of outer circle is 2.5. To find the area of the shaded region, we write area of the larger circle minus area of the smaller circle. So what is the area of the circle? Pi r square. Here you will write a small l because here we are going to use the radius of the larger circle minus pi r square. Here you will write a small s because we are going to use the radius of the smaller circle. Pi is 3.14. The radius of the larger circle is 2.5 square minus pi is 3.14 and the radius of smaller circle is 1.5 square. 2.5 square will be 6.25 into 3.14 minus 1.5 square will be 2.25 into 3.14. When you multiply these two numbers, your answer will be 19.625. And when you multiply these two numbers, 7.065 will be obtained. When subtract these two numbers, our answer will be 12.56 centimeter square. So this is the area of the shaded region. In fourth part, student, a square is given to you and inside a square there is a circle. So how we are going to find the area of the shaded region? We will subtract the area of the circle from the area of the square. So we write area of square minus area of circle. Here one side of square is 4.5. So to find the area of square, we will take the square of 4.5 minus the area of circle is pi r square. The square of 4.5 will become 20.25 minus pi is 3.14 and here the radius is 2. So 2 square will be 4 and when you multiply this 4 with 3.14 we will get 12.56. So 20.25 minus 12.56, it will be 7.69 centimeter square. So this is the area of the shaded region. Students, again there is a square and inside a square there is circle. So we will find the area of shaded region as area of square minus area of circle. Here the one side is given as 3. So to find the area of square, we will take the square of 3 minus area of circle pi r square. 3 square it will be 9 minus 3.14 into here the length of this line is 3 and when you will subtract, when you will take the half length, then it will be 1.5, means its radius will be 1.5. So 1.5 square will be 2.25 and when you multiply 2.25 with 3.14, your answer will be 7.065. So 9 minus 7.065, it will be 1.935 centimeter square. So this is the area of the shaded region. In sixth part, students, there is a triangle inside a circle. So to find the area of shaded region in this part, we will subtract the area of triangle from the area of circle. So we write area of circle minus area of triangle. So the area of circle is pi r square and the area of triangle is half of base into height. So the value of pi is 3.14. Here the radius is 4 minus 1 by 2. Here the base is 5 and height is also 5. So 4 square will be 16. 16 into 3.14, it will be 50.24 minus 1 by 2, 5s are 25. So when you divide 25 on 2, it will be 12.5. So 50.24 minus 12.5, it will be 37.74 centimeter square. Now students, we are going to start question number 10, and question number 10 is find the area of each of the following shapes. A shape is given to you. Firstly, we will understand that what type of shape it is. For example, in first part, here is a rectangle and a semicircle. So what we will do, we will find out the area of the rectangle, area of the semicircle, and then add both the areas. in this way we can find out the total area of the shape. So here the total area is equals to area of semicircle plus area of rectangle. So the formula to find the area of semicircle is pi r square upon 2 plus the area of rectangle is length into width. The value of pi is 3.14 into here the total length is 7 centimeter, and when you half this length it will be its radius, and half of 7 is 3.5. So here the radius is 3.5. Its half length is 3.5 square divided upon 2 plus length is 10 into width is 7. Take the square of 3.5 and multiply it with 3.14. Your answer will be 38.465 divided upon 2 plus 10 sevens are 70. So when you divide these two numbers, our answer will be 19.2325 plus 70. When you add these two numbers, our answer will be 89.2325 centimeter square. So this is the total area of this shape. In second part, students, we are having two semicircles and one rectangle. So how we write the total area? 2 into area of semicircle. This 2 means there are two semicircles plus area of the rectangle, this one rectangle. So total area of semicircle is pi r square divided upon 2 plus area of rectangle is length into width. So the value of pi is 3.14 and here the radius is 14 square divided upon 2 plus here the half length is 14. When you double it, it will become 20. Width is 40. So this 40 into 28, it will be 1120 plus this 2 can also be cancelled out with this 2. Otherwise, take the square of 14, it will be 196. Then multiply it with 3.14 and multiply it with 2 and divide it with 2. You can also cancel out this 2 with this 2. So your answer will be 615.44. So when you add both these two numbers, it will be 1735.44 centimeter square. So this is the total area of this shape. In third part, students, we are having 4 semicircles and 1 square. So how we will find out area of this shape? We write 4 into area of semicircle. Why we write 4? Because there are 4 semicircle. 4 into area of semicircle plus area of this square. So here 4, area of semicircle is pi r square divided by 2, and to find the area of square, one side is 3. So you will take the square of 3. 4 pi is 3.14. Here the total length of this side is 3 centimeter and radius is the half. So half will be 1.5. So here the radius is 1.5 square divided upon 2 plus 3 square will be 9. Now students, 1.5, take the square of 1.5 and multiply it with 3.14. So your answer will be 7.065 divided upon 2 and this 4 plus 9. We can cancel this 2 with this 4. 2s are 4. And when you multiply this number 7.065 into 2, it will be 14.13 plus 9. So 14.13 plus 9, it will be 23.13 13 centimeter square. So this is the total area of this shape. And as you all know, this is centimeter square is the unit of area. Thank you so much, students.